Good morning everyone. My name is Warno Shazlin Wanshari. ID number 8705210353720001. And I'm doing Diploma in Early Childhood Education. Today I'm going to deliver an informative speech with the title Teaching Mathematics Strategy in Early Childhood Education. Ladies and gentlemen, as everyone knows, teaching and learning maths at early age is important as it provides vital life skills to children. It helps children to learn how to solve problems, develop and measure their spatial intelligence, and teach them how to recognize and understand shapes. Another important aspect we need to understand as an educator, every child has different learning style and pace. Thus, it is important for us as educators to identify the style and provide the right teaching approach when working with children that have different learning style. Among the different ways of learning, some prefer to learn by listening, seeing, and some even prefer to do hands-on activities. At this point, teachers have to be creative by integrating few approach in one lesson to come out with an effective teaching and learning process. Ladies and gentlemen, I now come to the first part of my speech where I'm going to introduce several strategies in teaching maths subject in early childhood education. One of the easy way to teach math for early learner is by doing repetition. This can be done by repeating and reviewing topics that have been touched, such as the reciting the numbers, memorizing formulas such as addition and subtraction, and so on. By repeating the topic touched in previous lesson, it will help children to understand the concept better at a faster rate. Another strategy that can be used is by using manipulation tools. Manipulation tools are the most effective teaching aid to use with children in class. This kind of teaching encourages hands-on learner to learn better. Manipulation tools can be anything that can be facilitate the teaching and learning on various topics such as Lego block, bead, shell, fruit, and more. Manipulation tool make it easy for children to understand the foundation. Although it slows down the process of learning, but it is one effective approach to exchange children's knowledge about the basic rules and formula in learning mathematics. The last strategy that is suitable to teach math for young learners is by using rerational learning strategy. This can be something to do with mathematics games, puzzle, outdoor learning, and storytelling. The focus span for children at early age in class is slightly shorter than the rest group of older children. Thus, it is reasonable to bring in rerational activities as part of their learning. Rerational learning not only holds their focus longer, it is also able to increase their motivation in their learning. Ladies and gentlemen, here I come to end on my speech. I would like to summarize the content of my title of speech today about teaching mathematics strategy in early childhood education again. There are more other strategies that can be found and applied out there in teaching math among the young learners. Any of these strategies are useful to help and encourage the learning math for young children. The creative the teacher is, the high possibility it is for the learner to learn better in class. I hope this piece of information will give some alignment to my fellow early childhood educator to explore more strategy for our young learner in learning mathematics. Thank you. I hope this piece of information will give some alignment to my fellow early childhood educator to explore more strategy for our young learner in learning mathematics. Thank you.